And number three. And number three. There are three of them. Guys, what in the F? There you go. Mystery drones, Sunbury, Ohio. Like I've said over and over, front row seats right here in the apocalypse. I swear to God, I'm not ready for this, guys. Alright, y'all. I don't know how much memory and how much storage I have, but here we go. Mystery drones, Sunbury, Ohio. Again, look at that. Flashing in sequence. That is, dude, those are not cell phone towers, guys. They are not cell phone towers. Trust me, the boy here literally records and films every cell phone tower in central Ohio that I've seen. These are not cell phone towers. Yep, mystery drones. Look at that. Just like last time. Look at that, guys. Well, I'm guessing just like last time, they're gonna go flying because I'm filming them, so. And number three. And number three. There are three of them. Guys, what's in the F? There you go. Mystery drone, Sunbury, Ohio. Like I said, over and over. Front row seats right here in the apocalypse. I swear to God, I'm not ready for this, guy. I mean, dude, that's like perfect. The grid on my phone literally lines up with those so perfect. It's insane. Like right at the 90-degree angles, they're perfect, dude. They are literally at the axis, like on the resolution of my phone where it puts the camera grid. They are literally at the intersecting line. Both of them, perfect. It's crazy. Sorry. Guys, they're hovering and flashing in unison. Well, until I said something, of course. And remember, they do that weird rotation. Hold on. What the hell, man? You guys do realize that it's the mystery zones right there. I guess that one I said was the third one. Well, it's still up there though. Absolutely mystery drones, guys. Absolutely mystery drones. Come on, man. I want them to fly so you guys can literally see that they have been sitting here hovering. What the hell is all this stuff moving around them? A lot of flickering, flashing lights taking place around these things. That, you know, could just apparently hover and chill in the sky and do whatever they want. Must be pretty cool to have technology like that. Yes, I'm absolutely willing to put money on this being your government. Come on, you bastards, move. The fact that they are flashing in unison is what does this for me, guys. 100% made me stop this car. I knew it. As soon as I seen that, the unison, like, sequence flashing, I knew it right then. I was like, oh, yep, Mr. Drones, here we go. And remember, if you don't remember what those look like in the last video, go back and watch the older video. Look at the light sources, like where it's coming from. Watching Sunbury, that must be really appealing. There we go. See, mystery drone. You see it moving, right? You seen that move? Yeah, mystery drones, guys. I told you, that's what that is. 100% mystery drones. I'm about to run out of storage, but there you go. There's the other one. There you go. Dude, people are yelling over there. I don't know if they're just in the drive-thru or what. Dude, 100% guys. You see it still going, right? Just like last time. Look at that weird little bastard. That's a mystery drone. What about this one? What the hell are you doing over here? I'm filming you too. Come on, move. See a cell tower just for a reference? There's your cell tower right there behind the telephone pole. And there's that drone again. Okay, now he's got a bright light. Dude, guys, look. Now, do you doubt me on that being a mystery drone? Look at this. Look at this asshole. Mystery drone, Central Ohio. Share this video, guys. Come on. Help your boy out. I went viral on TikTok and what happened? Oh, deleted. Gone. I was. My channel. My TikTok channel. Literally taken down. Had it for under a month and it was taken down. Like, I went viral. It was taken down in the middle of it. Now it's flashing like the first time I filmed these. Oh my God, there's more. Guys, what the hell is that? It has craft around it, guys. Tell me I'm crazy. Tell me I'm crazy. Look at the triangle. That's why there's stuff flashing around it. What the hell is happening above Ohio? There are 4 of these, at least. Alright, I'm about to run out of storage. I'm about to delete some stuff, and I'll be right back. Is that just a plane? 100% guys, mystery drones. Make sure you watch this clip all the way through this video because you will see them flying around. I know they look like they're just hovering objects right now, but think about it, they're in sequence. The one's got a bright light flashing now. And, I mean, dude, they're literally hovering and then taking off. And they have like these little flashing objects around them. Really? Right when I try to focus on it, that's what happens. spin. See, now how the hell would he have hovered there that long, guys? Get real. Get real, dude. How would that thing have hovered there that long? There he is, still moving.
Longing.
There are 2 mystery drones above Sunbury, Ohio right now. Just like last time, look at that.
The gift of life is never more or less.
I'm trying to keep an eye on both of them.
It starts at
There's 2 other ones moving in the sky above it.
and ends in just one.
Dude, this is insane. God, why do I keep filming these damn mystery drones? There he is, taking the death plunge. See? What the hell is that? Okay. Now number 2 is still over here. Or number 1, original. God. And is that another? Sure kind of looks like one. Just has its green light off. What the hell is happening? That's another guy. That's another. No doubt about it. I'm gonna run out of storage, dude. I've never had such long clips. Like, this is crazy. Get ready for some blue beam, y'all. The invasion is about to be taking place in front of us.